Hey everyone, Matteo here, welcome back in my little RC garage. Thanks for stopping by and watching. I have 3 Tamiya commemorative models on my bench here. All 3 are Porsches because Tamiya's first RC model, which came out in 1976, was also a Porsche 934. And these commemorative models are rare because they were only produced in a limited number. This was the 30th anniversary model. It was released in 2006 and was the Porsche Turbo RSR Type 934. And this Jägermeister Porsche 934 was the 40th anniversary model released in 2016. As you can see, I built this car because, interestingly enough, this packaging was not very luxurious. I made an unboxing video at the time. If you want to see it, you can click on the link. It was also the TA02 short wheelbase chassis with a carbon fiber deck, but not many option parts were included. I also have a running video of this, if you're interested. And now this 45-year anniversary model was released at the end of 2021. It also is a Porsche 934. And it's on the TA02 short wheelbase chassis. The box looks more precious, like the 30 years model. But first I want to show you the 30 years model and how nice it looked already in the box. A certificate in 3 languages and with the signature of Mr. Tamiya was included. And look how many aluminum option parts were included and so nicely packaged in those blister packs. This model is really special, so I never built this car. But what about the new 45th anniversary model? Is it just as beautifully packaged? Oh yeah, they made it pretty similar to the 30-year model. A certificate in English is also included and signed by Mr. Tamiya. And some parts are also nicely presented in these blister packs. Here are the axles and the springs, as well as the steel CVDs for the front and rear axles. Also a nice emblem plate. I'm not sure if it's metal or just a sticker. Here are also some option parts. Carbon fiber damper stays, an upper chassis plate, and aluminum motor plate. Now let's look at the other parts in the box. Foam inserts for the tires. The body of the Porsche is made of clear polycarbonate. These are all plastic parts to build the chassis. And the tires. This is the lower carbon fiber chassis plate. Inside the box is a nice drawing of the chassis layout. This small box contains all the hardware. Front knuckle arms. And all the bags with the screws and other small parts. And a silver can is also included. It's crazy how long that silver can has been used in these RC cars. I remember 35 years ago we had the same motors for our RC cars. Under this blister pack is a bag with the gears and parts for the dampers. And here are some parts for the body, chrome-plated light buckets and the rear wing. Of course, assembly instructions are also included. These Tamiya build manuals are extremely well made, and it's great fun to assemble these models. And these are the decals for the body. Window maskings are also included. Last, in this box on the side are the wheels. Classic Porsche Gold spoke wheels. Now I put all the parts back and close the box. I must say that I will not build it at the moment. I will display it on the shelf next to the 30-year model. I'm glad Tamiya went back to the precious packaging with this 45th anniversary model. And if I like to drive, I can use the 40th Anniversary Jägermeister edition. So I say thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked what you saw, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. See you next time.